One of the best and cheapest upgrades is going to be the drain valve in your air compressor here. These thumb ones work okay for some time. I don't use my air compressor really that much, but after about a year or two, this one stopped turning, and luckily it was stuck closed, so I could still compress and use it. But if it would have been stuck open, the tank would have been completely worthless. I had to get some vice grips on here to crank it, and I could loosen it, and it would go around and around, but it would not drain and it would not open, so I had to upgrade it. Again, don't use a crescent wrench on this. Use a vice grip and really crank on there because you're gonna have to get a really tight hold to loosen this. Make sure your pressure is out of the tank and on zero like this. I read this in multiple places online. I was struggling here on the floor for some time trying to get this undone, and I couldn't get it undone. And then later I came back another day and realized I still had 40 pounds of pressure in here, which doesn't seem like a lot, but that was what prevented me from getting this valve out of here. A quick upgrade is to get a hose one like this, which is much easier to mount and get down here when you gotta drain it. And all you have to do is unscrew the old valve, grab this new kit here, screw it in, and use some crescent wrench or some sort of wrench here to tighten that up. And you're basically upgraded and ready to go.